This video will show you how to delete the bottom fragments. Floating fragments below the model are usually caused by image matching errors, shadow or ground texture interference, incomplete background separation, or improper reconstruction settings. These fragments float under the model are not part of the main geometry. They affect model quality and interfere with further processing. The Delete Fragments tool in Get3D ModelFun automatically detects and removes these invalid structures. Open the Delete Fragments tool. First, add points as reference. At least 5 points should be added, evenly distributed on the model. Then click Delete Fragments. Once processing is complete, click OK. Open the OBJ view to check the result. All fragments have been removed. Now you've learned how to remove bottom fragments. Thanks for watching.